Welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. Today we have a mystery box. What's inside it? You guessed it. It's the PVS-31 clone from Argus. In a previous video we talked about my BNVD-31 housing. It has RPO 2.0 lenses and also it's been holding up really well. We also did a comparison between the Mark 1 and Mark 2. Thanks to Aeon Tech, we got a chance to take a look at the latest offering from Argus, which is their PVS-31 copy. It has the actual PVS-31 style optics, so it's supposed to be lighter and also shorter. Let's open this box. Alright. We have what appears to be a PVS-31 nylon pouch. It's the same style that comes with PVS-31 and also 1431 Mark 1. We have some loose parts here in the box. Oh, this is the Argus G24 mount. That's being really popular recently. These appears to be lens disassembly tools or assembly tools. I don't know why there are so many pieces. I guess I'll have to take a look later. And what do we have? Oh, these are the objective lens housings, I believe. That allows you to collimate the housing from the objective lens side. It appears to mate together as like this gear look like structure. And yeah, these are your EGAC adapters. So essentially it turns your 11769 tubes so that it interfaces with the toggle pins on the housing, so you don't need to solder. Alright, let's take a look at the actual housing. This has something in the pouch. Oh, it's their battery pack. They didn't know it comes with a battery pack. Does it come with a cable? I don't see the cable anywhere. Alright, let's move on. There we go. The Argus PVS-31. Anything in this little pouch? Nope. So that's our housing we'll be waiting for. So this is supposed to be the exact copy of L3 PVS-31. It is internally the same as Mark II's, but minus the actual illuminator. The lens, object lens, has a nice sacrificial lens in it, building just like the real 31. Let's take a look at the eyepiece. It has the same screw-in diopter lens, just like the real PVS-31. I believe it has. Yep. I believe it's minus 0.5. Nicely coated sacrificial lens. I believe that's screwed on. I might need to use one of those wrenches that comes in the box. Alright, what else in the pouch? We have eye cups. Yes, eye cups. And well, that's our cable. Okay, just wondering. I think that's it. That's everything that's in the pouch. Alright, for disclaimer, Argus didn't send this to me. I paid for it with my own money. I contacted them wondering if I can be part of the testing process and also give them some feedbacks. Apparently, they've seen my previous video, so there we go. Let's wait it. So right around 12.7 ounces with just the housing and lenses and also bikini covers. I will have to put some tubes in there to see what they actually weigh. The build quality feels premium. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, just like the previous PVS-1431s. The lens has over travel stops. No, the infinite focus stop, just like the L3 lenses. Resistance feels pretty good. I mean, you know what this is. I will spend more time with it and then see how I feel about it. Here's my Mark 1 and PVS-31 side by side. You can see it's shorter and also it's a lot smaller in diameter, so it gives me more peripheral vision. Alright, I guess this is it for the unboxing video, and peace out.